everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, associate with Dialogy. So today we're gonna discuss how to change registered office of the company. As in आपकी कोई कंपनी है, आपको उसका रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस चेंज करना है, तो what is the process for that? So before coming to process, let's discuss type of changes in a registered office. After a period of time, a company may wish to change its headquarters, and a company's office must be changed with advance notice. The MCA has specified processes for changing a company's address which must be followed by the company. There are types of changes into the registered office address के first one is within the same metropolis and within the same state and with the same ROC, and in the same state अदर ROC, यानी सेम स्टेट में बट ROC आपको चेंज करना है, एंड ट्रांसफ़र फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर. इफ़ जो रजिस्टर ऑफिस में चेंजेस है विद इन द सेम सिटी है तो जो भी वो चेंजेस करा रहा है, जो भी ओनर है कंपनी का, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर है या डायरेक्टर है, फर्स्टली कॉल करेगा द बोर्ड मीटिंग एंड पास करेगा रेजोल्यूशन. And the MCA required the company to file a form in corporation INC 22. It must be filed within 30 days of the board resolution being passed, and attach the utility bill for evidence of the business address, the owner's NOC and the leasing agreement if the space is rented. And if the within the same state and within the same ROC में अगर office address change करना है तो if a company wants to move the register office from one ROC to another, it must fill out form INC 23 and submit it to the regional director for permission. And within 16 days of the regional director confirmation, the identical confirmation must be filed with ROC, and the ROC must validate the change of address within 30 days of filing. एंड इफ़ जो चेंजेस हैं रजिस्टर ऑफिस के इन द सेम स्टेट है बट उनके जो ROCs हैं वो अलग अलग हैं एज इन दूसरे ROC में, तो इन लार्ज स्टेट्स लाइक महाराष्ट्र एंड तमिलनाडु देयर आर 2 रजिस्ट्रार्स ऑफ कंपनीज. At time it may happen that when the address of the company is changed, the ROC and the registrars of companies also change. Hence there is a different procedure when such a changes happen. एंड अगर आप ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हो फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर, द प्रोसेस फॉर चेंज इन रजिस्टर ऑफिस ऑफ कंपनी फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर डिफर फ्रॉम अदर्स. द MOA of the company changes as the office address also changes. A board meeting must be held and the resolution to call an extraordinary general meeting must be passed. A special resolution is to be passed in the EGM regarding the changes in the office address as well as the modification of the MOA. The MCA must receive the resolution in MGT 14 within 30 days and not more than 30 days before the date of application to regional director. The company must post an advertisement for relocating the office. It should appear in both vernacular and a regional newspaper as well as English newspaper. And if applicable, the company should send notice to creditor and debt holder as well as other regulatory bodies as applicable to the company. And application to the regional director must be filed for changing the office along with the document that are specified. If an objection is received, a hearing with the central government will be held and required instruction will be issued. If there are no objection, the order will be passed without a hearing. And the company must file करेगी confirmation received हुआ है from the RD से to the ROCs यानी registrars of companies within 30 days of the date of the order. And it is mandatory to file form INC 22 with the requisite document to the ROC within 30 days. So that's all about the process when कंपनी ओनर चेंज करते हैं अपने रजिस्टर ऑफिस को. So guys, we'll see you soon in our next video. Thank you.